Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So I am working on my accordion junk journal here, and it is accordion spine, and it's no-sew, and I have a playlist. I'll put it at the end screen so you guys can check out how I made it and what we've made so far throughout. Okay, and what I did is just glue down with some water and glue. It's just a 50-50 mix with PVA water or PVA glue and water. And I glued down some dictionary pages here just to get that drying. And I want to show you guys what we're going to make to put in it. So I'm going to lay that to the side and let it dry. And let's see here. So I want to show you guys how I made this cute little envelope flip. So you got a picture on it, and then it flips up like that, and then you could put something inside of it. Just like that. And then it just goes into your junk journal. So is that fun? It just goes like this, and then flips up. Like that. Okay, so I'm going to show you that real quick. So what I did is I have a piece of just packaging paper that came with the package in the mail, and I have an envelope. It's just one of these just envelopes, and I am going to lay it down, trace it, and cut it out. Okay, so I got that cut out like that. Alright, and you can see here the bottom it's flat at the bottom and then pointy at the top, and then you got the two flaps on the side. So I'm going to leave it like this. And you can either, use a scoreboard and just score the lines, which I don't have a scoreboard, so I'm just going to use my ruler. So I'm just lining it up where I want it. Like that, and then just flip it up and crease it. So it's pretty much here, and then just line it up here, and then just give it a crease. There we go. And then a crease, and then you can line it here. Fold it like that. So that's just an easy way to do it if you don't have like an envelope maker or a scoreboard or anything, which I have neither. So I just trace an envelope that I like, open it all up, trace it out, and then just use your ruler to fold up the flaps. Okay, and then these two go on the inside like that. And then this one flips up, and then there's your top. So I'm just going to take it, and I'm just going to glue here. And here. And just glue that part shut. And there we go. And you got yourselves an envelope. So that's just a fun way to make an envelope for sure. And you could do it out of any kind of scrap paper or, any scrapbook paper if you have it to make it a little thicker, but I'm just kind of sticking with the craft paper here, which is nice. Okay, so I got that much done, and then what I want to do is it's gonna flip. Here's the deal. So it's gonna flip like that. So when you put your pretty picture on the front, you want this flat part to be upside down. So that's upside down, because then when you flip it up, it's right side up. So just lay it flat like that, lay it upside down, And then let's grab what we're working with here and see what we want to put on it. I think that's cute. Okay, so we'll just add what we want. I'm just gonna do a little glue down. So this is all just from magazine pages. I figured I'd just start using up my cuttings I've had sitting around and do some Halloween themed and fall. Okay. There we go. And then I took a manila folder and I just had like the end part of it. So it's just like the, you know, it's like a file folder or manila folder, whichever you call it. And it was just the end part here, and it had the the crease part. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to use that. It's already ready to go. But if not, if you don't have a piece that's already a flap, you can just cut it and then, you know, just crease it and just fold it in half. And then you got yourself a flap. Okay. So we're going to flip it up like this. And then just measure out where you want your flap. Like that. And then give it a snip. And you're going to want to make sure that it flaps like that. Okay, so you're just going to want to glue the one side. And then just glue it down to the bottom. Okay. And then it just unfolds like that. And then you just make something fun to add to the inside. And I'm just using corrugated, just some cardboard here. I just thought that was kind of fun to play with. Let's see. And I'm taking it so it's not so thick. And I'm just ripping a piece off like that. And then just make sure it fits in here. Yeah, I think that's a good size. Okay, so we'll do that. And then let's see. We got some cute little things to play with here. I think she's cute too. Oh my gosh, look at this witch. Is that funny? I think I just have the walnut stain. It's just walnut stain, oxide. And just crunch them up. Let's do the kitty cats. You can always layer it up too. You can add just some fun threads behind it. You know, you can even take some of the do a little grunging. Like that. And I like grunging this up pretty good. I got rattlies going on over there every time I wiggle the table here. Okay, so you can just grunge up everything. Here, maybe we'll just do, I just have a bunch of threads over here. If you guys have watched my channel before, you know I save my threads. So I'll just use some black here. I think that goes with it. And a little purple. That's better. Okay. And then just pop this down. Pop that on here so you can pop that down, and then just take your stapler and just take this part. I think I want the threads on top. Yeah, let's do that. Plus we're going to glue too, so that'll give it a little more stability. Okay, and then just spread them out. Add your cute little picture. Glue her down. Okay. And then you you can grunge up your envelope if you want to. All right. And then there you go. Got a cute little thing for your pockets. Now let's see, how dry are we? I think we're pretty good. I think I want to stick with this one in here because it's our little Halloween theme, and he is so cute. And it's as easy as finding where you want it in your journal, how you want it to sit, like that. Like that's really cute. And you just take your other part of your flap and just glue right here. Just add a little bit of glue, just like that. Okay, and then just put it wherever you want to place everything. And there we go. And then if you want, let me grab a stencil real quick. So this is what I found, but I think this would be kind of fun. So like when it flips up, it covers all that. So let's see if we can do that. Okay, so what I have here is Crackling Campfire. I don't know if you guys can see it right down here. Vintage Photo and Black Soot. It's just all my oxides here, so. And then I just have my little makeup brushes. Okay, wait, let's start with, do the pumpkin. Okay, let's see how that turns out. Oh, is that super fun, you guys? I just was looking at my stencils and I wanted to use the bigger one, and I was like, well, why not? So look at that. How cool is that? I think that turned out really fun. So yeah, just look at whatever envelopes you want. I mean, you can even do a bigger envelope and just all you gotta do is just take it apart, and then you can trace around it and then put it all back together with, you know, whatever kind of paper you want to use. And then you just add your little flip at the bottom here, and then put something pretty on the front, flip it open, get your little thing out of your pockets, put whatever goodies you want in there, and then you could do some stenciling just to have something interest on the bottom like that when you flip it open. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just a quick pop in just to show you guys some inspiration for the day that you could do. And I'd love to hear from you guys. If you want to comment down below, I'd really appreciate it. And hit the like button. That helps me out so much. So yeah, I hope you guys did find this informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.